Here's how you can do backtest. Okay, you're going to log into the MetaTrader 4 or 5. Okay, and then you're gonna come straight to tools. Okay, you're gonna come straight to tools. Under tools, you're gonna go to options. Okay, you're gonna go to options, and then under options, you're gonna go to charts here, under charts here. All right, under charts, make sure that the maximum bar is actually at unlimited. All right, and then you're gonna click OK. That's not an issue if that is an you actually find it. Or you can actually, and then number 2, you can actually come to this S dollar icon over here, but I don't prefer it for now, so that you can make it simple. And then we're gonna come to view, and then under view, we're gonna go to symbols. Okay, we're gonna go to symbols here, the symbols here, and then under symbols we have every symbol that we want to backtest here. I'm just using these indexes so that you can be able to make it as an example. Okay, and then under indexes we're gonna go to bars. Okay, we're gonna go to bars. Okay, but firstly we need to select the instrument that we're actually looking to actually get the bars for, and then we're gonna just first click the step index, and then we're gonna tap on it, and then we're gonna go to bars, and then under bars, this is where we select the time frame, where we select the time from where we want to start backtesting the data, and then we're gonna say request. All right, when we say request, it's gonna download every data from 2019 so that you can be able to start from there and be able to backtest until now. And when you're requesting, you want to change the time frame to 1 minute, and then from 1 minute to 5 minutes, still doing the request. After 5 minutes, you're going to use 15 minutes doing the request, 1 hour, 4 hour still. So that's how you can actually set up the backtesting so that you can be able to go back to the past, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to go back. So just make that something that you're gonna do so that you can be able to go back with ease. Okay, so if you're facing any difficulties, let me know so that I can be able to assist you much further.